Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add money in Meta Ads Manager. This is helpful because it makes sure that your ads can keep running without getting paused for payment issues. So first, open up Meta Ads Manager and go to your dashboard. On the left side, look for the coins icon. That icon is for billing and payments, so click it. After you click it, you'll see two options: payment settings and payment activity. Click payment settings. So this is the section where you can add funds. So once you're in payment settings, scroll down until you find prepaid funds. Under that section, click add funds. Now choose the amount that you want to add. Then choose the payment method that you want to use. So after that, click next. And when you click next, you may be asked to confirm the transaction. Just follow the confirmation steps so that the payment goes through. And then after the payment is successful, your current balance will update and show you the amount that you added. And that's it. That's how you add money in Meta Ads Manager. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.